His full debut in the 5-0 League Cup win over Leyton Orient. The game was delayed by 15 minutes due to crowd congestion. Barnes the fans, Curtis retreated some action, went and dog ran onto the pitch before kick-off and showed off his ball skills. When the game started, Everton took the lead. Stephen Naismith played in Mirallas, and the Belgian scored his first goal since joining from Olympiacos. Mirallas was involved in the second too. Baines played the ball into the area and his flick found Osman, who made it 2. Mirallas scored at Everton's third. His shot beating the Orient keeper Jamie Jones, formerly on Everton's box. And Mirallas set up the fourth, picking out Victor Anichebe on the edge of the box. So it was 4-0 to Everton at half-time. Everton scored again midway through the second half with some good play leading to Seamus Coleman's cross and Gueye volleying in at the back post. We are 2